Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Askchip token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is CHIP. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Askchip token. So Askchip is the name of the token. CHIP is the ticker symbol. It's actually down 4% right now after being listed on CoinGecko. Today was their brand new listing on here. They're sitting at about almost 1/5 of a penny is the price of this token. There is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it. When there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it has the potential to be a scam when there's warnings like that. So thoroughly do your own research first. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now they have 486 holders. They have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens and 9 decimal places on this token. Now their official Twitter is listed on CoinGecko. It is at AskChipAI. 10 tweets so far. Very brand new project here. It says the everyday AI, artificial intelligence, personal assistants. So now, AI is huge right now because of ChatGPT and other things, of course, OpenAI, all that stuff. And basically, there's tons of crypto tokens coming out that have to do with AI right now. So here's another one. Mr. Chip, Askchip, the everyday AI personal assistant. Askchip is your go-to personal AI assistant. They have a Telegram bot, and you can find that linked on their Twitter, and that is at ChipAIBot. But then they also have another Telegram channel listed on here at AskChipAI. Their official webpage is also available on their Twitter and available on CoinGecko, which is askchip.io. Their Twitter just joined in January 2023. They have 592 followers so far. Their tweet from 4 hours ago is just happy to announce that we are listed on CoinGecko, and they spelled CoinGecko wrong. They're missing the O on there, so that's cool as well. Looks like they're doing burning. It says, we just burnt 1 million chip tokens forever, and they have a link to the Etherscan where you can verify that. It says, the team behind Chip has decided to relock liquidity for 1 whole year. LP is now locked until February 10th, 2024. You could view the Etherscan for that on their Twitter as well. And besides that, I don't know if there's any more information on their screen here. They're showing kind of like what Chip can do on here. Need some life lessons or just guidance? Chip is here for you. Simply ask Chip anything, and they're showing, the questions and answers that you can get from Chip. And they're showing their chart on here. They have a PooCoin chart available, but now they have the CoinGecko chart. And besides that, there's nothing really else of value on their Twitter that I could see. Their Telegram group has 375 subscribers so far. Now, this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the chip token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, their Etherscan, or their official webpage, Askchip.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. You can find the contractor address right at the top right-hand corner of their webpage, Askchip.io. They also have links to everything else, chart, Telegram, bot, their socials, stuff like that. So it says, about Chip. Askchip is the world's first cryptocurrency artificial intelligence chatbot that brings the power and convenience of AI technology to the cryptocurrency world. With Askchip, you can ask any questions, formulate any needed work, table, schedules, and more. Askchip is designed to be fast, reliable, and user-friendly, allowing anyone to securely use it in their everyday lives. Askchip is the perfect combination of any cryptocurrency investor, giving you the companion for any cryptocurrency investor, giving you the power to make the most out of your investments. So it says tax is 5%, so you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 5%. It doesn't even say what the tax is for, which is, a pet peeve of mine. Why would you say tax 5% and then not say what the tax goes to? So, anyways, it is 5%. You will have to set slippage somewhere around 5%. So Askchip's vision is to become the first virtual assistant through DeFi and ultimately the world, with ChatGPT charging a whopping $50 a month for usage. I didn't know that's what it charged. We hope to make this technology free in the future for all users. As of now, we'll be integrating it with our native token in order to create investors' value and much more. So the roadmap is starting with concept, development, research and development, a clear concept for Chip, including unique features, target market, and goals. Then release of Chip V1. Then we got, let's see here. It's kind of a weird roadmap here, how this goes. Okay, and then we got token launch, stealth launch of the Chip token on the Ethereum network. Develop the core foundation of the Chip, future of Chip. And then we got partnerships, identify and establish partnerships with relevant organizations, platforms, and influencers within the AI space. Then community management, foster and grow the Chip token community through regular updates, community events, and a fair and transparent governance model. Then expansion, continuously enhance and expand the Chip AI so it remains relevant and rapidly evolving in the AI industry. And then lastly, further utility, expand the Chip token utilities to create a broad set of assistant tools and become the leading AI developers. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Chip token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.